Dave Jonason's got a fish on.
Feisty little guy. He's not that big.
He thinks he is.
Spent summer or a big cut?
It kind of looks like.
Yeah, big cut, isn't it?
Whoa. Whoa, he really took that.
What?
No.
Bye.
This guy is an expert at U-turns, I'll tell you.
Must be a native then. He's used to being hooked and released. Let go of that one, Kurt. Caught this one on a juicy bug. Yeah. I can get that later. You got other problems. Thank you. You gotta just shake them real hard. Okay, now pull hard, shake. Remember, if you reel up even further, it's even harder to get to. That's my favorite asshole saying. We just had karma on that one.
Yeah. Gosh.
Old fish again.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Wild fish.
Yeah.
Oh!